Move into luxury living this fall, complete with panoramic views from private balconies. Place a bid on your favorite condo in Oklahoma City's historic Founders Tower. 21 and 2-bedroom condos, plus 2 3-bedroom penthouses are up for auction October 14th. Find hardwood floors, as well as elegant modern bathroom vanities and kitchen cabinets, stainless appliances, and granite countertops. Floor-to-ceiling windows and balconies offer views of Lake Hefner and the downtown skyline. This 20-story tower makes luxury living easy with indoor and outdoor saltwater pools, a large outdoor grill area, dog park, fitness center, along with a club room with billiards, TV, and its own kitchen. The Founders Tower auction is October 14th at 1 Eastern, 12 Central. Choose from 22 properties, live on location or online at auctionnetwork.com.